All right, so what you've got really to finish this week is your interior wall layout. So if we kind of just really start with the elevations to see where we're going to draw our first walls. We've got level 4 for our first level, our first floor, and then we've got level 6 for our second floor. So I'm just going to jump to level 4 first. So it's kind of important here when you start on this, I would adjust your view extents or your view range just to really see this level. So kind of match mine right here to make it easier. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and go architecture, wall. And then you'll see it's just kind of leaving off where we've got it. And we have an interior wall created already. That was our garage wall, so let's go ahead and click on it. I kind of forget what it was made out of, so let's check it out. Yeah, this honestly looks good. So this is the one we used in between our garage and our living room. So it's got drywall, wood, and drywall on both sides. So go ahead and hit OK. Or maybe we use that for a stair. I can't remember. Hit OK. And now what we're really going to be doing, so I'm on my level 4, and it's going to go up to my level 5, which is perfect. So it's floor to floor. And so I'm just thinking about my overall kitchen as well as living room. So really, I'm not putting a ton of walls in here. I may, let's say, put one in. Really, yeah, and you don't even have to start with walls. So maybe, honestly, your top level may be a little better. So I'm going to do the same thing up here because I'm going to start with my kitchen, and then I'll start walls. So let's just say you're on your top floor. Here's your stairway. Let's just say we want like a bathroom on this side and a bedroom. You could probably even fit 2 bedrooms. And just look at some of those minimums, remember, for your bedroom sizes. So and you could do all types of things too. So I just want to see 1 bathroom. So I'm going to create a bathroom kind of in this location over here. Let's say, so I'm coming over about 6 feet. Okay, and we won't really understand how big of a room until we start adding in components. So if I go to architecture, or sorry, insert, I'm going to go to load Autodesk family, and then I'm going to come down to plumbing, and then a few different things, but I'm just going to say, so I want to put a bathtub up there. Got a few different bathtubs options. Just be careful, there are some 2D ones. So I'm going to not do a 2D. I want to do tub rectangular or freestanding tub 3D. I'm going to click on this one, hit load. Okay, and then when I go to architecture, component, here you'll see your tub or anything you add in here. I'm going to click that one. So yeah, you can tell already that my room is kind of too small. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in this tub for now. This kind of gives you a good understanding. And this right away kind of just shows me, all right, I need to make a bigger bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and move this. Use the move tool when you can. A little bit further. Same thing, click on it, click the move tool. I'm just trying to line up. And another kind of trick to do this with, if you, let's say, click off of it, if you click on your line or your wall right here, you can use this align tool here. So I want this part of my bathtub to align with the exterior wall. So it will shift that whole wall. So be careful. I'm going to hit Control Z. I want to click wall first and then the bathtub, and then that will slide it over. So now that I got my bathtub laid out, I'm just going to go ahead. Let's say I want to make it pretty just going to blow out that wall a little bit more. And same idea. So I'm going to go here to Insert, Load Family, and now let's see what else we got. I'm kind of looking for a sink. So there are sinks you can put in cabinets. And next, in the bathroom, we're just going to go ahead and put in a cabinet. So that is under Casework. And a number of different ones. And again, you can get creative if you want. I'm just going to put in a pretty simple one for the bathroom for now, just to give you an example. Okay, and then once you hit load, same thing, you'll go to Architecture, Component, and then over here you'll start seeing, so let's see, we've got a number of different base cabinets by just loading in that one. So I'm just going to put in one here, and once you click, kind of different. So again, I want to bring down. Please take a look at this pre-designed packet that we looked at a while ago, but this just has some of the codes as well as some of the different requirements for your bathroom. See right here. So here's a good layout example, but again, just remember it cannot be less than 60 inches here. And then we're dealing with some minimum. So the big one for your toilet is 30-inch minimum side to side. Yeah, so it's just some different ideas here. And then, let's see, whoops, I thought I had another one in here. Yeah, I think it's on the first page. Yeah, right here are just some minimums. So the big one that I just kind of remind you all is right here. So habitable rooms, minimum 70 square foot, and then each wall really has to be 7 feet, at least 7 feet. So we shouldn't have a problem in this example. But okay, so let's put that cabinet in here, and then again to rotate, just click on the rotate button. So I'm going to bring my cabinet, let's say a little bit. I'm going to put my toilet over here. So again, I'm going to have to make it a little bit bigger, which is fine. So, and here's just a little trick to be able to see what you put into your interiors. When you click on the little 3D drop down, click on the camera, and then I'm going to click and hold. And so it takes a picture of this location. Where these views go is right under your 3D. And again, these are really just pictures that you can visualize. So you can put these in, you can move your camera however you want, but I'm just moving this. Again, you can go to realistic mode. We'll start using these for renderings next week, but here I can just see, okay, I've got my tub, my cabinet. I'm just going to jump back to this level now. And again, even though the camera goes away, you can still jump back to this view. Go back to this level here. So I got here, and again, same idea. I'm going to go back to Insert, Load Family, and we're going to load in a sink just to kind of complete this. Plumbing, sink. So I'm just going to put in a simple one for now. Vanity, load, architecture, component. Alright, great. Grab the sink. Same thing. So once it's in, go ahead and use the rotate tool. Oops. Change the direction. That looks good. Looks like it disappeared. Let's see. I may need to lift this up a little bit. We'll see. So I'm going to go to my picture. Yeah, so it looks like it's a little low. Actually, it's not too bad. But you can offset from host. I believe you can move this up 4 inches. There we go, and it will shift up. Okay, and then yeah, just go ahead and complete your one bathroom again and kitchen. So I would really start with these layouts first and then start adding in more walls. So again, this just kind of gives me an idea. So going back to my walls here, let's just say that I can finish this out once I kind of have this in. Put in a door here to get access. And let's just say I wanted to put some bedrooms up here, maybe make this kind of a hall with a bedroom here. So again, I'm just kind of going crazy here. And if this is too small, I'm just kind of looking. I want to maintain at least a 3-foot walkway, so this looks a little bigger. So it's over here, so I could even shift this wall out. Give myself a little bit more room, but again, I'm just going to check this. Not too big, so again, just kind of, you could pull a dimension too, but I just want to make sure I've got 3 foot around here. And then all really I have left to do is adding in some doors. You can go ahead and paint these on later if you want. Okay, and same idea here too with my bathroom, but then I want to probably swap this door this direction. Okay, and yeah, just with your pictures though, if I jump back to that one, it's kind of annoying. The door will close, but there is a way to open it, or just click on it so you can see through it. So, alright, so that's general layout, but again, go ahead and create really your bathroom and your kitchen, and then I would work on the design. So, yeah, a lot of people use Pinterest or different Google searches just to see different kitchen layouts, so go ahead and use that. But you're going to put in your cabinets. You can just do base cabinets if you want, or uppers as well. And there's appliances that you can add in as well. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions.